Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix no signal on TV1 and TV2 in Dish network. So if your Dish network is showing you no signals on TV1 or TV2, you can easily fix it by following the steps that I'm about to show you in this video. So first of all, you need to start with the basics. You need to use the TV remote and make sure that it is set to the correct HDMI or AV input where your dish receiver is connected. Now wrong input is equal to no signal screen. Now you need to reboot your dish receiver as well. So unplug it from the power, then wait for about 30 to 60 seconds and then plug it back in. This is also going to refresh the system and often restores the signal. Now you need to also check the cable connections. Simply check HDMI or AV cables whether these are firmly plugged in and not damaged. You can try different cable or port if it is needed. Now if both TVs show no signal, that means that the issue is outside. So in that case, you just have to also check the bad weather, the dish misalignment and the obstructions like trees. So these can also block the satellite signals. For TV2 especially, you need to ensure that the secondary output is enabled and the coax and the wireless connection is working. Sometimes TV1 works while TV2 loses the signal due to the setup issues. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.